Get ready for dictation at the speed of 80 to 90 words per minute. Start. A public interest litigation has been filed in the Supreme Court challenging the absence of the provisions of voluntary revaccination for persons who have been administered Covaxin in the present system of COVID 19 vaccination. Full stop. Paragraph change. Preferred by Karthik Seth, an advocate practicing in the Supreme Court of India, the PIL states that under the present scenario, a person is not allowed permitted to get vaccinated and Covishield by registering on the official website of Government of India, Cowin after having been fully vaccinated with Covaxin. Full stop. Paragraph change. It is pointed out in the petition that all the individuals fully vaccinated with Covaxin are being treated by all major countries as unvaccinated individuals and are made to either quarantine or are not completely allowed within their borders. Full stop. This is due to the lack of WHO approval for the homegrown vaccine. Full stop. Paragraph change. There has been a major latent lacuna in the entire vaccination system across the country, which involves lack of awareness attributable to the respondents mainly. Full stop. The respondents, at the time of rolling out of Covaxin for use in the market, failed to make the public aware that it was not approved by the WHO and that it had not even submitted an application before WHO for approval, which was submitted as late as in April, 2021. Full stop. It was only in May, 2021 5 months after the commencement of vaccination drive that it rolled out into the news that several nations are not allowing entry of people vaccinated with vaccines other than those enlisted in WHO's emergency use list. Full stop. Another blemish in the vaccination drive was that until 1st May, 2021, that is up to the first and second phase of vaccination drive close, comma, no choice of vaccination was made, 2021, that is up to the first and second phase of vaccination drive close. No choice of vaccination was made available to the public in India, and it was the discretion and prerogative of the government of administer whatever vaccine was available to the persons eligible for it. Full stop. It was only from 1st May, 2021 that is commencement of third phase of vaccination in India close, that the public was allowed to choose the vaccine as per their own wish, petition states. Full stop. Paragraph change. It has been argued that the manufacturers of Covaxin, Bharat Biotech and the government of India have failed to procure often the WHO's emergency use listing EUL despite studying with the administration of Covaxin on exactly the same date as Covishield, that is 16th January 2021 when the vaccination process commenced in India. Full stop, paragraph change. To highlight the shift of people from Covishield to Covaxin, said in his petition has contended that the shift was because of the endorsement by the Prime Minister and his support for the homegrown vaccine. Full stop. स्टॉप। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको इस मैटर के जो भी वर्ड्स हार्ड लगे हो और जिसकी आउटलाइंस ना बन रही हो तो आप मुझे व्हाट्सअप या मुझे टेलीग्राम पे मैसेज कर सकते हैं। और मैटर अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करें। थैंक यू।